Okay, let's talk about the secret psychology that's probably controlling your money without you even realizing it.
You know that feeling, right? That sudden drop in your stomach when you look at your balance? You're not alone. And look, it doesn't mean you're bad with money. It's just your own brain playing tricks on you. In fact, there are two secret bosses in the background running your entire financial life. Meet fear, the protector, and comfort, the enabler. And they love to team up against you.
Fear is that voice telling you to hide cash just in case or to avoid investing altogether.
And comfort? That keeps you in that job you hate or sticking to spending habits that don't help.
Now, this is where the real problem starts, when these two forces combine their powers.
They create the perfect financial trap, a cycle that's really, really hard to see when you're in it. It makes you feel totally secure while quietly chipping away at your financial future. You're safe, but broke. Sound familiar? Avoiding an investing app feels hard, but ordering takeout is super easy. Yep, that's them. But here's the really good news. Once you see the pattern, you can absolutely break the cycle.
It's a simple three-step process. Just recognize the feeling, analyze the real risk, and then push just a little.
And I mean small steps, like automating 500 rupees in savings, or just opening an app to look around. Think of them like friendly kidnappers. They feel like they're protecting you, but they've got your dreams chained up. So taking even one tiny action starts to break those invisible chains. It's time. Just imagine it, investing without panic, taking smart risks, and enjoying life without that financial anxiety. So I'll leave you with this. What's one single comfortable habit you're going to challenge this week?